Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Boxycharm Boxy Luxe unboxing. Before we dive in, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video. Boxy Luxe is a subscription that comes every 3 months. It is $50 a month, but you do get like 8, I think. I never remember the number, but you get quite a bit of product in here for your money. Really like it, so let's just go ahead and dive in. Here is what the inside, the inside's looking like. So there is some paper up top here. Oh, we get a card, a very crinkly card, but a card nonetheless. This is the first card that I've received from Boxycharm or Ipsy this month, so that's exciting. I see so many things I'm excited about. Okay, let's start with this just because I chose this. This is the Professional Results Smile Sciences. It is teeth whitening pens. You get 2 in here. I don't have the whitest teeth in the world, so I need to remedy that. So I'm hoping that these will help. I just went to bite this with my teeth and I was like, probably shouldn't do that while I'm talking about how bad my teeth are. So let's just go ahead and tear this open and I'll show you guys what they look like. So it says, brush teeth and floss, twist pen to dispense gel, smile wide to keep lips away from teeth, dry teeth. The drier teeth are the better results. Apply a thin layer of gel to them, keep off gums, rinse after 30 minutes. For best results, do not eat or drink 20 minutes after use to allow the whitening agent time to work. Okay, I'm excited about this. Ooh, I didn't expect them to be clear. That's cool. It is really just like a brush. So I'm very excited. I'm definitely gonna try these out and give you guys an update. It doesn't say how often to do it. Easy to use, up to 10 shades wider. Refreshing peppermint flavor. Do not swallow. That'll be difficult. Yeah, maybe the card. I'm gonna see if the card tells me anymore. Oh, these are 80 bucks for 2 of them. This 2-pack, brighter after just 1 use, will last you all month. So I think you can do it every day. It doesn't say you can or can't. So I'm gonna probably look into that a little bit more and keep you guys updated because I'm not sure. Okay, so the next thing in here is this. This is by Kylie Skin from Kylie Cosmetics. I have not really tried a lot of Kylie products. Like, I have one of her lip kits and that's it. And I don't know, I've just never really had an interest to, I guess. This is the foaming face wash. Ooh, I like foaming. I love foaming hand soaps. Oh, I just got it everywhere. Just smells clean. Kind of like laundry. So that's exciting. It's full size, so it's nice. How much does this retail for? Ooh, $24. It says it's infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil, vitamin C and E, maintains moisture, improves elasticity, cleanses skin by helping remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. So I'm excited about this. I am running low on face wash, so it came at a good time, but I don't know. Something about Kylie Cosmetics has just never thrilled me. I don't know why, but there's that. Lily Lashes. This is the Triple X Mascara. $24. An extra lengthening, extra volumizing, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula. I like the packaging. I know a lot of people got this in their box last month and I was kind of like, I want it. Ooh, I like the wand. I really need to stop opening mascaras because I have so many open right now. But I'll definitely put that to the test. That's exciting. I haven't had anything I can swatch yet. So I knew I was getting this because Boxycharm actually reached out to me to tell me that they kind of messed up a little bit and they actually gave me $12 to spend in their Boxycharm store. I did. So those will be coming sometime soon. This is the Pure Lease Perfect Glow BB Cream and they sent me the shade medium. I don't think I'm gonna be a medium. Debating on if I even want to swatch it. I do want to swatch it for you guys, so I guess I just will, but I know it's not gonna work out for me, so I want to swatch it. It's not as dark as I thought it would be. Ooh, yeah. Huh. Definitely too dark, but not as bad as I thought it would be. Smells like paint. Yeah, it's too dark. That sucks. So I was really excited about this. Oh well. Maybe I will actually buy that and try it for myself because I am curious. Okay. Also, that retails for $35. Ooh, maybe I won't buy it for myself. A BB cream for $35. Gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. Your multitasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage and sunscreen benefits of a foundation and BB cream. Maybe that's what I'm smelling, is the sunscreen. Okay, this is the Milan and Gotez Recovery Treatment Oil. Their packaging is so boring. 4.25 essential oils. Our fast absorbing treatment is formulated with a blend of 9 antioxidant oils that nourish and hydrate to help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay. Yeah, I just hate their packaging. I don't know why it's boring. It smells like Skittles, like specifically yellow Skittles. It smells really good. So I will definitely put that to the use. Things are falling. I didn't even do it this time. This retails for $82. My plates couldn't believe it either. I literally, if you guys saw my Dollar Tree haul, I bought some plates in the Dollar Tree haul. They're literally still in the bag right there on the floor. So yeah. That's expensive. Next thing, m.green grass CBD head to toe cream. It's 100 milligrams of cannabidiol. I don't know. What are you supposed to do? It's supposed to have intense moisture, boost hydration, and soothe and calm benefits, leaving skin feeling smooth and restored. Great as a daily facial moisturizer or for challenging spots from head to toe. Use 1 to 2 pumps. So another moisturizer. That's cool. A little weird. I've actually never tried anything with CBD in it. I'll put it on this hand since I have that foundation on the other hand. There we go. So it's just like a white color. Feels kind of thick, but that's a good thing for me. Oh, weird. It's like thinned out instantly. Definitely absorbed instantly. Wow. Okay, I'm not mad at that. How much are you? $56. Oh my gosh, there is like a lot of value in this box. What are you? We got some cards in here. This is just some information about the Pure Leaf stuff. And you can get $5 off your next KylieSkin.com order with code BOXY5. If any of you want to use that, feel free. And the next thing, Bodyography. It's a 2-pack lip pencil. I'm never like super into Bodyography stuff except for their brow powder. I love that. Okay, there's 2 pencils. They look like they're gonna be wooden pencils. This is in the shade Pouty. Oh yeah, they're very, very wooden. There's Pouty, that's pretty though. And this one is called Rosewood. I feel like I've had this before. I've definitely had some lip pencil called Rosewood. I don't have it anymore, but there's Rosewood. These are really pretty. I'll try them out. I'm not like the biggest lip liner person, but we'll see. And these retail for $28. Meh. Okay. I'm so excited. When I opened the box, I was like, oh, okay, that's Tarte. This retails for $49. So basically you pay for this palette and you get everything else for free. 2 things that were $80 plus. So this box is amazing. What are you? Tarteist Pro, just the Tarteist Pro. I don't have a lot of eyeshadow palettes from Tarte. I actually think I only have one, and it's the Graveyard Girl one from like ages ago. Palette's a little dirty. Oh, that was a terrible noise. I'm so sorry. Oh, I hated that. Okay. But I'm excited because I don't have a lot of Tarte palettes. So, it smells like vanilla. One complaint, the mirror doesn't open all the way. I hate that. Okay, what do we want to swatch? Let's do vintage. Creamy matte white. Minx. Ooh, that's intense. Let's do mod. And trendy. Ooh, so it's like a predominantly matte palette. There's 4x4. There's 16 matte shades and 4 metallic shades, so 20 shades altogether. Oh yes, it's one of those, this blue shade called Trendy. It's one of those ones that goes from like blue to brown. I love those. These are really pretty. I'm excited for this. Definitely gonna have to use this like in an upcoming video. I have so many. I don't know if you can see, yeah, can you see that black basket right there? There's literally 2 white containers and a pink container all in there that have like makeup in there, because like I love doing like the full face first impression, so I've just been like sorting it into like 3 different bins so I can do those. So I've got some more stuff to try. I wish this worked for me because I would definitely put that in there, but that's okay, I guess. All right, quick recap and then we'll be done. We got the Tarte palette that I'm super stoked about. The lip pencils that I'm not mad at, but I'm not like heck yeah about either. They're okay. The lids keep falling off of them. The face wash, same thing. Like I'm excited because I need a face wash right now. Like I have very little left in mine, but I'm not, I don't know, like you guys are probably gonna hate on me, but I'm not crazy about Kylie Cosmetics for some reason. I've just never understood the hype, I guess, so sorry. I know there's a lot of Kylie fans. This I'm excited about for as pricey as this is. It better be great, but at the same time I don't want it to be great because then I'm gonna want it. Same with this. I feel like this is gonna be really good. The CBD stuff. I'm bummed about this because I really wanted to try it. The Lily Lashes I'm excited about. I've never tried anything by Lily Lashes, so that's fun. And these I am so stoked about. Like so stoked because I have been wanting to try these since I saw them. So, is that everything? That's all, folks. All right, so that's everything. Let me know what you got down below in your box and all that fun stuff. If you got any of the same products, what are you excited about? Don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.